In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace any object in Photoshop using Generative Fill. This is one of the most powerful AI features in Photoshop. It lets us swap out objects seamlessly while automatically matching perspective, lighting, and texture. Let's dive in. In this image, we will replace the car. We need to select the object we want to replace. I'll grab the object selection tool from the toolbar and then select subject. And let's replace it with alien ship. In Generative Fill, write an alien ship, then generate it. Now, let's take a look at the variation results. I think this one looks the best, so let's select it. And now go to Adjustment Layer icon and select the color lookup and choose Moonlight Effect. Now enhance some lights. First, let's select the lights and open the exposure and change the value for perfect result. And see the before and after result. Let me show you one more example. In this image, we will replace this rock with Snow Mountain. And first, select the area and generate the Snow Mountain. Now, let's take a look at the variation results. I think this one looks the best, so let's select it. Now, let's enhance the image colors. Go to Color Lookup and then select the Crisp Winter Look preset. And now looks okay. But we need to fix the color these area. So, create a new layer and set its blending mode to color. Select the brush and choose the color. And paint over the problematic area. Now image looks okay. Let me show you before and after result. And that's how you replace objects in Photoshop using Generative Fill. With just a selection and a descriptive prompt, you can transform your photos in minutes.